So next one is pre-distortion. So one way is I know how much distortion is going to happen. I am going to distort the waveform in a known manner, and the receiver I'm going to do the reverse of it. So see here, I input signal, I do distortion. G inverse of X is the distortion, and at the power amplifier I do the reverse G of X. So the input is slowly increasing, it will fastly increase at the power amplifier. So I will get back my original signal. So pre-distorting, it is one way of intelligently manipulating the distortion at the input itself. Okay, so if G of X is compressive, G inverse will be expansive. So G inverse broad on the, if the signal is rising slowly now, at the other end it will be increasing fast. Okay, so it has three drawbacks. One is the variation of power amplifier with process temperature and other things. And if power amplifier becomes more compressive, then the distorter has to become more expansive. The compression is larger, not just expand for larger values, so it will become non-linear. Okay, and it cannot non-linearity effects will also be coming and adding up in your signal. So for that only, they say that this might be an issue in the pre-distortion technique. And third is antenna impedance. So if the antenna impedance is going to change, now you have to again redesign the complete circuit for pre-distortion technique. If you are going to go for I and Q, now you can go for separate pre-distortion for I channel and separately for Q channel. You can go for digital. You can go for DAC and then mixer yellow, add it, and then you can go for power amplifier. So idea is to alter the baseband signal before it reaches your power amplifier. About two issues are still not solvable in pre-distortion techniques. So far we have seen so many techniques, and each techniques provide methods to linearize your output at some at the cost of efficiency, right? But they say that they don't know. Nobody says which technique is perfect because each technique has a lot of issues, and it left to the designer to choose whatever technique